Outdoors, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. It's actually a review, but a different kind of review, a tech review. It doesn't really have to do with hunting, but when it comes to actually filming your hunts, this is something that we're really excited about. The Canon G50 does not come out for another 12 days. We just got it in today, so we're going to do a quick review of everything that we think about it and all of its capabilities. We're so excited about this camera, and it's going to give us a lot of good footage. I have a turkey hunt on Saturday with a youth hunter, and I'm going to be using this baby. We're really excited about it, so let's jump right in.
So Brian, what are we doing?
We just got our G50 in like 10 days prior, well 12 days prior, and good thing because I got a youth turkey hunt on Saturday and it just came in. Vixia G50. We're ready to open our new moneymaker. Here we go. Love shot here. That's a G50. We're definitely putting in that 1P. Register. Things we're probably not going to read until later when we get mad at it. Here it is. Here it is. This is better than Christmas. You know what's cool about getting old? It can be Christmas whenever you want.
That's right.
Look.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Behemoth.
That is beautiful. This is probably this is before retail, you know how retail stores are selling it and stuff. We got it before retail.
No one's reviewed this.
Yeah, this is literally, well, some people got their hands on it at at conventions and everything, but this is probably one of the first moments anybody has ever set eyes on this camera.
Oh yeah, look at this. This is great.
Yeah, too bad the shutter's closed on you.
I know, I just want to...
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing's huge.
I know, it's a behemoth.
So, any words that you want to say to YouTube or anything at the moment?
I think it's just a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but like you look, it even has this is even right here. These buttons are so smooth. I think I'm really good. This is gonna help us out when we're hunting because we got 2 SD cards there. I'm about to open up the battery. Just to see how big that is. We'll make sure it's charged and then we'll try it out.
Whenever it comes to SD cards, guys, we highly recommend SanDisk. We're using, because we're kind of poor, the SanDisk 64 gigabyte. Otherwise, we would use the 128. But it's always recommended to go with the Extreme Plus. These numbers are the most important numbers whenever it comes to download speeds and reading speeds on your computer. This is basically how fast it could transfer to your computer or reading or writing, etc. So just keep an eye out. You could get this at Best Buy, Amazon, anything of that nature.
Alright, so this is probably what you use to...
That's your charging.
Yeah, charge it. And then here's the battery. Let's see if we can... There's nothing covering it. Let's see if we can put it in. See if it's charged at all from the factory.
Probably does.
No, I assume so.
Well, now we get the first moment of that. Very cool. So we're doing the date settings right now.
Alright, hey, let's go ahead and throw an SD card in there. SD card A goes in the other way. Okay. Oh, we got 16 minutes of juice.
Cool.
Alright.
So the shutter, there should be a button for the shutter somewhere. That's auto. Just press record. See if that does anything. Memory card cover is open. Oh, you have to cover that thing.
Okay, that helps.
Okay. Well, this right here. This right here is your shutter switch. So that will.
And now, we're good to go. I think it's a manual focus.
Okay.
Off the bat. So.
Yeah. Well, you can always change that, but that manual knob will be awesome whenever it comes to just still shots and everything.
Yeah, it's not.
I'm filming on my
Oh, hey, it just switched to go to automatic. I didn't do that, but.
Okay. I'm on my Note 8 at the moment, so quality's not bad on here.
Let's go out. Let's go out in the back.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the quality on this thing.
I know, 4K. Oh yeah. Oh, look how far this thing can zoom in. That's great. Look how. This is all the way out.
Hold on, let me get a better angle here. Well, we'll be using the raw footage from that too, but I'm seeing it from here.
Yeah, this is 150. Hey, it's 150 yards to the tree line, right? Yeah. Yeah, 150. Yeah. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start from here, and we're gonna go all the way to 150 yards, which is that tree line.
Oh wow,
that's gonna be great.
That's crazy.
That's gonna be great for groundhog.
And if you look at just what I'm seeing, guys, that's pretty decent yardage right there.
Yeah, and look at this quick adjust. Boom, something there. Oops, something else. Boom, there. Oh yeah, this is great. This is awesome. This looks great. Like the green is exactly how it's depicted. You remember our old one, how we had to do with mess with the color all the time while editing? This is exactly how it looks in real life.
Yeah, this has a better like sensor whenever it comes to like white balances.
Yeah, it's great.
20 times optical zoom, so that's true zoom. That's not just like digital zoom or anything. That's like the lens actually. That thing's heavy. Hold that for now. Take a look at this one. It's on the comfort level. This is contouring to my hand. It is so comfortable, and I'm not just saying that because I'm like starstruck at the moment. This thing is super comfortable. Like, it's easy to grip and press the buttons. If you need a quick zoom, that's not bad.
Yeah, if you notice, if you put your finger right in the middle, you can move it nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Zoom in and zoom out.
I just want to do some walking shots.
Like on a rocker.
If you do walking shots on this is fantastic. It's so smooth.
Stabilizer inside the camera.
Yeah, the stabilizer inside the camera is just so smooth and brilliant. Oh wow. I can do a shot of that water from down there, and it's so crystal clear. And the footage is just so smooth. Wow. Like it's like zero effort. I can't wait to check the audio quality. Okay, so that's where we will find the microphone jack and the headphone jack. It's a little dark. So this one is the microphone, and that one's the headphone. And that's your HDMI and your USB mini B port for data transfers. All right, there we go. So obviously, guys, we don't have time to go through all the settings on this camera, but what I do recommend is checking out Canon's website to actually see how this product will actually work for you. So we're going to go ahead and post this in the description below. Here's their website just to give you a glance of what it looks like so far. And don't worry, we'll go ahead and give it a fantastic review on our end as well. So down here, we just want to focus on some of the features that we really thought were impressive. So obviously there's the 4K ultra high definition resolution that the G50 has available. It can film in 24 frames per second, 30 and 60, so that's pretty cool as well. It also has 20 times optical zoom for the crystal clear picture, so that avoids any grainy look. And another thing that we like to focus on is the intelligent 5-axis image stabilization, which we just saw earlier in the video. That's good for smooth traveling shots, for moving shots, you know, anything that involves walking or moving. The Digic DV6 image processor is very cool as well. It avoids any noise in dark environments, like especially. Another thing is the dual micro SD slots that we already touched base on and saw earlier. That's cool if you want some extra storage space. So those are my main takeaways that I see as an editor. This camera has some really impressive features, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. So whenever it comes to battery life, this is Canon's standard battery. It's about 1700 milliamp hours. My phone is in like the 2000s range, so this could last, depending on how long you're using it, quite a bit, probably like up to 2.5 hours, I would say.
This looks the same as my one from my HF 100.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'd be the same. I don't really want to risk it, but we can call Canon and ask.
Additional products we're using is the Manfrotto 290 light tripod and the Rode shotgun mic, also known as the Video Mic Go. You can grab both of them for around 280 bucks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be hunting with this. So I set out a milk jug full of water about a little over 100 yards out there, have a 223, and we're going to shoot it and see what it looks like.
I'm all zoomed. I'm going to ease my way in. Right.
Was it good?
That looks so awesome. Brian, what you doing?
Just shooting my bow. I think it's hitting about this much high right, but let's use that camera and see if we can get see how it does with bow shots.
All right, let's do it. Dude, I just can't believe how smooth this is so far.
It's hitting a little bit high right. I ain't blowing that one on purpose, but I'm hitting a little bit high right. So I'm going to adjust that. So there's a thorough review of the Canon G50. We got it 12 days early before its release date, and we did the unboxing and everything, did a couple quick little tests, little cool tests. We're gonna use it for hunting, and we're really excited about it, using it for this upcoming hunting season. If you'd like to see how it performs with our hunts, check us out and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well.